They said flash floods. There was a tornado and everything. Lightning, thunder. We're coming out of Paynesville right now. Wow. We have to follow this guy because we can't see. So that sucks. The airstrip, wow. It's covered in rain. I'm just worried, guys. Jesus. There was a big rip in the tin. It's raining. Bad. Our electric went out from 3 o'clock yesterday to today about 2 o'clock. I'm afraid it's going out again. No Xbox. Oh no. I'm gonna play GTA later. I'm probably not gonna record it. Because I need somebody to hold it for me because I don't have a good setup. If another weather report comes on, I want to videotape that too. I'm just going to stay on here until another weather report comes on the radio. Everybody, almost everybody I saw is on the side of the road. That guy up there is manly. He's staying on the road. He doesn't give a crap. It was raining bad back there in Paynesville, downtown. There were signs flying everywhere, leaves, branches. It was crazy. We're at the BP. Getting on Route 3. There's BP.
Tired of talk? Keep it here on the only station.
Whoa!